Parents try so hard to build strong connection with their children. Today I will share few statements that can help parents to do that. And those statements are especially whenever children are going through some big feelings, anger, sadness, frustration, disappointment. If we tell them that I can see you, I hear you, I'm trying to understand you, rather than you should have done this, why you couldn't understand, I told you not to do that, I told you to do that, rather than going, fixing things. If you just say things, that I am trying to see what you're going through and I'm trying to understand your feelings. So what message that it gives to the children? So the first message is it gives to the children their feeling matters. Second thing, the children are able to see that their parents are not only focusing on their behavior, but they are trying to understand what is behind those behavior, what emotions and where those emotions are coming from. The third thing is, when we validate our children's feelings and emotion, it strengthens our bond. In what way? That our children feel that their emotions are being respected. It deepens their trust with us. And when this trust is built up strongly, they are more likely to share, their world, their challenges, their difficulties with you. And many times I understand, me being as a parent, that we try to solve our children's problem. But sometimes it's so hard to fix every problem on their way. But just by acknowledging their emotions, their feeling, telling them, I see you, I hear you, I understand you, you are upset. You are letting them process their feelings and helping them grow emotionally. So next time, try saying, I see you, I hear you. And when you say those things, you are giving them a gift of love and trust that will last a lifetime. So let's focus on building connection with our children rather than simply focusing and fixing their behavior.